Imagine you're using an app that's so intuitive and visually stunning you can't stop raving about it. That's the magic of UI, user interface, and UX, user experience designers at work. These creative folks are the masterminds behind digital products, think apps, websites, or software that look amazing and feel effortless to use. UI designers are all about the visuals, the buttons you tap, the colors that pop, the fonts that guide your eye. They make sure everything looks polished and inviting. UX designers, on the other hand, focus on the big picture, how the whole experience feels. Is it easy to navigate? Does it make you smile or frustrate you? Together, they create tech that's a joy to use. To shine in this field, you need a mix of creativity, empathy for users, technical know-how, and a knack for solving problems. Great UI/UX design doesn't just look good, it makes life easier, boosts satisfaction, and keeps users coming back. Ready to become a UI/UX designer? It's like embarking on a creative adventure where you learn to think like a user and design like an artist. Start with online courses or boot camps. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, the Interaction Design Foundation, or Google's UX Design Certificate are fantastic places to begin. Get familiar with the basics, design principles, how users think, and tools like Figma, Adobe XD, or Sketch. You'll learn to create wireframes, like sketches for your designs, build prototypes, test usability, and map out user journeys. Don't stop at courses. Check out blogs from Nielsen Norman Group, UX Collective on Medium, or grab books like Don't Make Me Think by Steve Krug or The Design of Everyday Things by Don Norman. The real game changer? Practice. Redesign an app, take on challenges like daily UI, and build a portfolio to show off your skills. Working with developers or real users will help you turn theory into something tangible. Ever notice how some apps just feel right? That's because designers use principles like contrast, alignment, balance, and consistency to make layouts clear and visually pleasing. UX design starts with knowing your users inside out. Through surveys, interviews, or analytics, you'll figure out what they need and how they behave. Think of wireframes as the rough sketch of an app or website. Using tools like Figma or Balsamiq, you'll create these blueprints and turn them into interactive prototypes. Ever gotten lost on a confusing website? Good UX prevents that by organizing information logically. Sitemaps, user flows, and navigation designs guide users smoothly from point A to point B. This is where UI shines, choosing fonts, colors, icons, and spacing to create a cohesive, eye-catching look. UI designers also build design systems to keep everything consistent across screens. You've designed something cool, but does it work for users? A/B testing, user feedback, and heuristic evaluations help you spot pain points and make improvements. Your designs need to work on phones, tablets, desktops, and for everyone, including people with disabilities. Following WCAG guidelines and using responsive design ensures no one's left out. Great designers get inside users' heads. What frustrates them? What do they love? Empathy helps you create experiences that truly connect. UI/UX isn't a solo gig. You'll collaborate with developers, project managers, and others to bring your designs to life. Sure, design needs to work, but it should also wow. A sharp eye for aesthetics and a creative spark set great designers apart. Every design choice should fix a problem. Critical thinking lets you question assumptions, test ideas, and make user-focused decisions. From fitness trackers to social media, e-commerce to gaming, voice assistants to complex software, UI/UX design shapes how people interact with technology everywhere. UI/UX design is where creativity meets problem solving. It's about crafting digital experiences that are beautiful, intuitive, and inclusive. To succeed, hone your design skills, stay curious about users, and practice relentlessly. By blending empathy, creativity, and technical know-how, you'll create experiences that don't just work. They inspire, delight, and make a real impact. Your journey into UI/UX design starts now. The digital world is waiting for your unique perspective and creative solutions.